Students, today we are going to start a second lesson from EVS 1, Motions of the Earth. Students, many of you enjoy playing with the top, and you might have observed that top turns around itself when we spin it. When an object turns about itself, actually turns about a certain imaginary line. The turning of an object around and the imaginary line around which it rotates is called as axis of rotation. Now let us focus on the rotation of our Earth. Students, here you can see the spinning globe. Note the line around which it rotates. When we take a plumb line and hold it close to the globe, we find that plumb line and Earth's axis are at angle to each other. From this, we understand that Earth axis is slightly inclined. The Earth rotates with its axis inclined like this. The line NS represents Earth axis. It passes through the center of the Earth. The point N and S are called as North Pole and South Pole of the Earth respectively. If a circle were drawn around the surface of the Earth exactly between North and South Pole, it would divide the Earth into two equal parts. This imaginary circle is called as equator. Two equal parts it makes of the Earth are called as Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere respectively. As the Earth rotates, its different parts come into the light of the sun one after other and turn away from the sun in the same order. At any place on the Earth's surface after one sunrise, next sunrise occurs when the Earth completes one rotation, that is, when Earth makes one complete turn around itself. Day and night. This period of time that the Earth takes to complete one rotation is called a day. A day has two parts, daytime and nighttime, or simply day and night. For the purpose of measuring time, we divide the whole day into 24 parts, each of which is called as an hour. Student, for the sake of convenience, we use 12 hours clock in our day-to-day life. You might have noticed that many times we write the time as 9 am or 6:30 pm. As one day is of 24 hours, it is considered as half day finishes at 12 o'clock in the daytime, that is midday. In Latin language, midday is termed as meridian. Therefore, AM means anti-meridian, that is before midday, and PM means post-meridian, that is after midday. By convention, 12 AM denotes midnight and 12 PM denotes noontime.